Okay, we just got set up. I think it's, I don't know, nearly 8 o'clock. Birds are coming from the south, birds are coming from the east, birds are coming from the north, but south birds should get here first. They gotta fly about 20 miles to get here, so they should start rolling in about 8:15, 8:30. So we got a little bit of time before we start seeing some birds flying, but should be good. We've got northwest wind. It's kind of died down a little bit since the sun started coming up, but it's cooled off a little bit, and the birds are supposed to start rolling here pretty good. They should float right down the middle right here. We've got kind of a U shaped right here. We got full bodies in the middle and silos on the outside and socks in the chairs. So we're laying under socks, so it should be a pretty good morning.
To forget my words, 'cause when I'm around you, I tend to keep changing my mind. I promised myself not to slip back into old habit, 'cause heartbreak is savage and love is a bitch. I'm flying high like a bird. Oh, my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you. To forget my words, 'cause when I'm around you, I tend to keep changing my mind. I promised myself not to slip back into old habit, 'cause heartbreak is savage and love is a bitch. I'm flying, I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you. Try not to forget my word. When I'm around you, then I keep changing my mind. I promise myself not to slip back into unhappy, 'cause heartbreak is savvy and love is a bitch.
Went pretty good today. Shot 94. We were 6 shy, so it was a pretty good day. Birds played nice all morning. They started showing up about 8:30, just how we drew it up. They floated right down the pipe. We had geese landing in the spread all morning. Boys were shooting good. It took the first couple groups to get the rust knocked off, but after that it started working out real good. So shot 93 or 94 today, so wasn't a bad day in the goose blind.